Hi guys, so in the previous video we talked about various things related to setting up the labs, setting up the equipments, looking at the tinkering curriculum. So this class is about how do you deliver the first classroom. So you are the lab is all set up. Now you have come inside the teacher, you have 40 students sitting in front of you. What do you do? So this class I'm going to give you certain points which are required to deliver the first tinkering classroom effectively. So you don't utilize the equipments much in this classroom. You are going to teach kids about how do you do design thinking process. Okay. So before that, there are certain challenges which you'll have to keep in mind. One of the first thing is that if you ask kids sitting in front of you and use them how many of you want to be innovators, you'll find that typically 3 to 4 of them will raise their hands, rest of them don't. So I had the same experience when I was trying to do that. And I figured out that when I asked students, why is that you don't want to be an innovator? And I heard answers saying that I want to be a lawyer. And I want to be a doctor, I want to be an engineer. So no one was telling that I want to be an innovator. Now I think that is basically because of the innovation myth which kids have in their head. So we have to remove that. And one very nice way which we have found is that show kids innovations done by other kids. So how do we do that? We have a lot of videos on our website. You can do that, or search in YouTube. You will find a lot of videos of projects done by kids, various innovations which are done by kids. Like for example, you play a video of a kid making a vacuum cleaner, or a kid who has just found a solution to agricultural problems of farmers. Or it will basically open up their mind and say that okay, there are other kids who are doing and innovating. I can also innovate. So that is how you break the innovation myth. So see that when you start the class, don't actually give examples of great scientists. Give examples of kids who are of their age group doing innovations across the world. That will open them up. So after that is done, the next important thing is you. Yes, I am talking about the innovation teacher. Now, if you are not inspiring, if you are not innovating, then don't expect the kids to be an innovator. Please remember, great teachers are great inspirers of innovation. Now, if you are inspiring enough, your kids will start innovating nicely. So the next thing which you have to remember is with respect to the tools of innovation. So what is tools of innovation? It's not a screwdriver which I give it to you and you give it to your kids and they start innovating. No, nothing like that. It's about the attitude and the mindset of how is the process of innovation going to be.